Here we start our next exercise. For back, again we have to start from 1. Counting must counting is necessary to make a set, a proper set. इसको as we say proper set. So straight, एकदम back straight. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Slowly. Again, for chest, once again. And the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. As you see, I just done here 20-25 set for each exercise. 25 is the minimum number. You can make it counted less or more as per your body shape or your strength. I usually make only 25 sets. So this can help you for making your chest and your shoulders, your back, and all the pain, all the जितना भी यहाँ पे अभी हमने जो वेट उठाया है उसका सारा जितना भी जो असर होगा हमारे आर्म्स पे, थोड़ा यहाँ लोअर आर्म्स पे, चेस्ट पे, बैक मस्ट बैक के लिए काफी अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है और रूटीन में कर सकते हैं इसको लगातार. So I think एक सेट और मारना चाहिए इसको, हाँ. Then make it 4 times. So once again, go back one more time. 5, 6. बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं कि सामने नहीं देखते हैं, जबकि एक्सरसाइज चलने करते टाइम एकदम सामने देखना चाहिए. नेक की पोजीशन भी सेट रहती है इससे. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Slowly. So a little bit change in our muscles. So in the starting point it happens. As you do it regularly, you don't get pain. Okay. Here we come from our next exercise. It's related to be as dumbbell, but it's different from dumbbell. Dumbbell is used to make a biceps, but This is used for your chest. You just have to hold from like this simply, and just have to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Give some rest. You can rest as well as you can put it down, or you can rest like this in the same position. I am resting in the same position, or you can count it again for 20 for rest as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So neutralize your breath or control your breath till until it's come back normal. So as you can feel it normal, you can again set up 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, again do some rest. And right now I'm just going to increase some set. Right now I'm using the weight of 2 kg, but now I'm going to put the weight of 3 kg. So this dumbbell become 5 from this one side and 5 from the other side. Stand. Okay. So what just same. Just have to focus on your arm. As you have seen, I am not using any end support in the dumbbell because we just need to control your arms, so you can pressure on your arms. Pressure of your arms. You don't have to get this fall out. So simply is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Place it down simply. For relaxing your arms, you can shake them like this. Now good. Once again for this set of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. As you can see, I make a set of 20-20 and 10 and 5 kg set of 20-20 and 20-20 of 10 kg set. As you know, what this is, I told you before, this is 50 lb and there is pair of lots of this type of cables. You can see different color and different lbs. You can tie with your handles as your strength. 50 lb, 9 kg, and 50 lb again. These are two kinds of string. This one to this side. 45 lb for yellow color and 18 kg for green. So you can tie with them your exercise. These are pretty good and look so cool than other exercises. And here you can see a different exercise. This is mostly used for your legs. What you have to do, you just have to straight and hold it like this, and you just have to go down and move it forward slowly and control your arms and slowly like this. I am not good as doing this, but I am learning. So again, it's time to do for next set. Again, I'm just doing it for last. So I'm pulling them only for 10 times. So here we go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's see how much I can do. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, 20 is good number and enough. So, moving on our third exercise, which is the most common exercise, as we know, between the people, you can say the most common exercise used by or performed by each and every athlete on the earth. As you can see, the most common and knowable exercise, dumbbells. Everyone know about dumbbells. Each and everyone. It's a very simple exercise for dumbbells. Dumbbells are used to make your arms, your four arms your biceps, your triceps, and there is a lot of exercise. You don't need anything. You don't need this machine. You don't need 6x machine. You don't need anything. If you just have a dumbbells, there is lots of exercise. I don't even I know how much. How can I know how many exercise I know? I don't. I just tell you some little bit common exercises performed by everyone who just mostly go to gym and bodybuilding. Who loves to body? So, is an exercise. Just have to hold the dumbbell. I'm just using one because one of my friends took my one dumbbell to perform some exercises. So I just gave him. I just place a new order for dumbbells. Right now, just using this. We are using a 2 kg set. It's around 430. It's 430 around. So 2 kg disc and half kg rod. वो कम होगा. It become less. Okay, so don't worry. So what we have to do is simply we have to stretch our legs like this, or place a hand. You can hold it, or you can place it anywhere. You just have to make sure that your backbone becomes straight. So here we go. I just hold this bar. I have to do that. So here we go. Over. This is for biceps. This is for biceps, and this is when we do this type. This is for triceps. Triceps is mostly a back part of the arm. And biceps is everyone knows, Asani level. Everyone knows. So here we go. One. You have to just do it slowly. Don't have to do this fast. Fast, you can make it 40 count. But in my opinion, you should have to use try slowly, because it gives time to your muscles to regrow, and you can see the blood circulation in the arms. So you just have to do this as one, and slowly down, relax, then 1, 2. You can place your elbow between on the thigh. Also, if you want support, and I think I don't know the right way, but I'm trying. Then mostly I'm doing. I'm not a regular exercise person, but sometimes I just do workout. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm just making a set of 15 here. As I can say, you can make it more than 30, 40, 50 as per your strength. So I am doing it 15 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again, for the left hand, count of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. right hand. Now continue again. Hold on. You can see the pump. So you can see the veins. They become more visible than before. You can see the pump on your arms while you do this to 3 to 4 times only. On other exercise, you can't see the pump on instantly, but in the dumbbells, you can see the pump instantly. On the what the effect of dumbbell is making on your body, you can see it instantly. So for right hand 15 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here I do some 2 pair of set of 15, 15, set of 2, as you can see, of the bird. Now I am just going to make it 20, 20 count. So for left hand for 20 round, begin. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So for right hand and now you can see my weights properly. Just pumping out, and I can feel some new power in my arms. So for 20 count, for right hand, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So you can see my veins. Actually, it just pump out, and I just feeling a new kind of power. I'm feeling more powerful than before. Dumbbells gives you a instant effect on your body. So you have instant result. It's possible experience in night when your body becomes rest. You feel pain, and the pain is for where while your body recover your muscles, it pain little bit. Sorry. So now we are doing for triceps. As I saying starting, this is for biceps. When we hold the dumbbell and pull it up, it's for biceps. And when we twist the arm and place the dumbbell like this is for triceps, the back part of the loose part, back part of the arm. So to tighten it, we just don't have to triceps. Okay. So what we have to do, this like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to touch your hand by your body. You have to make your hand just free. So all the pressure you make, it come on your tricep. So it will automatically grow. So 6, 7, extension set. You can make it 15 as I do. As per your strength, you can increase it or you can less it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, for left hand, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we do exercise for biceps and triceps. So I am providing you one bonus exercise for arms. You don't have to need anything. You just have to straight your arm while holding the dumbbell. Straight mean I'm just saying you have to do this like this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down, and this is for now for right hand. Just have to stretch your hand. Okay. So here we go for on count of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly comes down. For left hand, once again for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again for right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It looks simple and quite easy, but believe me guys, this is not easy as you think. It's so difficult and much more harder than the set of biceps and triceps. So here we come for our next exercise, which is mainly for abs, for this region only. So we can call it a 6-pack ab machine, a proper 6-pack ab training exercise machine. Here you got some springs, so you can manage the springs to set their weight. How much weight you can stable take it. So here it's sitting position. You have to fix your legs inside the rollers. So this is because when you go down, it supports you from the leg support, and you can hold the machine here. You can pull the weight down, so it becomes stable. It will not go here and there. So simply you can place your arms behind your heads, and you can go down or you can open it. So what we have to do, we just have fix your legs, slowly go down and down. Simply go down and I just place my hand behind my head because it make a better position, and come back. Or you can have to twist your wrist from left to right. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you come back, it gives you some back support. The springs which I told you is used to give you a back support. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you're doing this exercise for the first time, you don't, it looks like it's very easy, but after some time you will feel your pain in your body. Right now I'm not feeling any pain because it's too easy and comfortable. I can do it 100 and I'm feeling, but it's not good. While you start the exercise, you have to go it slowly. To make a perfect result or better result, you have to do it in steps, as I can say. So I make a set, a pair of 20. Right now I'm just make my 20 count and let me take some rest. Then I work it and hold again. Nothing harder. You can set the seat to move your body to right and left. To twist your arm, you have to just lose it. There is a nut. There is a bolt nut provided there. You have to just turn it, and you can easily twist your arm like this. No, this. That over this. So here you can see, you have to pull your legs up, and 1 and 2. You can see I can easily twist my legs, but it's not comfortable. I think it's too small for me. So again, a set of 20 pair. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You can place your arms like this. 2. As you feel comfortable, in which position do you feel comfortable, you can make this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now it start paining little bit because all the pressure is coming on my tummy. The fatigue pressure there. This is the most fat, the majority of the fat on your body. Place here, there, no here. So take some rest and do it slowly, not too fast. Proper take a rest, then make a pair of make a set which suitable you on your body strength, like 25, 20. There is no competition in our bodybuilding. Bodybuilding is a long-term process, and it takes lots of things to you. So you can place it. Here we got a pen. Yes, we can. Don't know. I think why this is given to us like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's like a little dumbbell. Dumbbell is the most common exercise. Oh, there are little space between the arms. That's why they step to each other when we do this. So, and there is one more way I can tell you to represent machine. So simple. You can also remove this back support from the machine. It's so easy. But you just have to untie the two nuts provided you behind the machine. You just have to open it and just have to remove the two of the springs which is stuck in. You just have to retighten the screws on and the two. And here you can remove your back support. Okay, like this. So, why we remove this? Because it make machine more efficient. You have to place a force. You have to know what to say. Now you have to use more power to complete exercise. You burn more fat, but while this is for those are perfect, as you can see, those are perfect, they can use it. But for the starting persons, I suggest you should have to start with back support for less pain, and your muscles are just on moving. Like you cannot just make a speed of a 40. You have to go for a 0 to 1 to 3 to 4 to 5, 10, then 20, 30, 35, 40. So there is a step. You cannot reach at the speed of 40 at once. So I suggest what I will show you how to do this. So you just have to put your hand behind the head and just slowly go down, pull. There's more. You have to like this. You have to come up. Okay. So I have to make more force to come up. So here we go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is enough for me. You can do it more, I know. You can. But I can't. So I need to do some punching. Lots of people don't know how to wrap these straps on your arms. So today I am going to tell you how you can easily wrap them if they are short. There are lots of video on YouTube in which they strap they use are too long, but in normal markets it's not available as easy. So what you have to do, you just have to place this ring shape in your arm thumb like this, and the stitches side on the back, and you just have to do this like this, easy. Okay, so first roll to the waist, because the power of in your arm is come from your wrist. So 1 to 2 wrap. Okay, then like this, and your hand look like this. You can see. Then again from the lower side of the thumb, you just have to take it and pull it like this. Now make a cross. You have to make a cross. Then single strap to the joint, rejoin. The most of the punch when you make, and hit the punching bag to this. 1 to 2. Then twist behind your thumb. Okay. So round it on the thumb. Again, take it here to the little finger. You can make it longer now. Then you just have to roll it in a cross. So like this. Let's tight. You can see in this binding, grabbing on your hand, I just not cover my fingers. When I want to cover a finger, you need a bigger strap. Bigger strap are easily available in the market, but I ordered big one, but it come low. The smaller one, yes, I am using them. Then arc again to the left side, joints, to round, make a cross, anything you need to know. You don't have you don't even fold. And having you can see. less to on my joints. So I move one more time on my joints. This side to my. Oh, it's not good as I want, but it's okay. So here you can see I just tighten my both of them. So in my punching bag I fill sand and some clothes on the sand. I just place a sand bag in my punching bag and I wrap that sand bag with some clothes. So it becomes too hard. As you can see, it's too heavy and too hard. So here we go. Starting with some slow punches. Mind and learn it very carefully, because at the time when you punch, if your joint, elbow get jerk, it may fracture or may cause some serious kind of injury. So when you punch, you just have to place your arms too straight. Very carefully. So again, and try when you punch, you just have to punch it on the same place. Where your left hand will punch, you have to punch at the same place. So it becomes a practice like this. This region is so hard. I just have to make it a little bit challenging. Tomorrow I will tie it, due to which the punching bag go just a little bit up, so it will be easy to pick punches there. So let's practice with punches. Draw low. Draw low 180 punches. Your power. When you need your power and you are not low. At least you should have to learn how to punch. You can kick it like this. You can hold and yes, you can kick it like this. And you can make a kick from here, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Oh. So we have to go over for next exercise. The most common exercise we usually in advertisement on the 5. So this is from 5 in a different kind of weight. Means you have to place some kind of efficiency and power to stretch them out. So just have to easily just place between your two of legs and make it equally between your arms. Simply we just have to pull your arms like this, in this manner. So yes, this manner. Okay. So here we go for our next exercise. This type of wire and rods, wire. You want to say what you want. So you can see them in an exercise on an advertisement. The most common, they say you don't need anything, but I don't think so. So what you have to do, you just stretch your arms like this, full straight. One, then two. So you can do it simultaneously और एक साथ भी कर सकते हैं, like this. 1, 2, 3, close arms slowly. 4, 5. Stretch as much as you can. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Give some rest to your arms and I mean say you just have to take a break by break. This wire. This is of 13.6 kg. You have to make a force of 13 kg. As you can say, the force you used in stretching a 13 kg dumbbell, that much weight you need, that much force, that much power you need to stretch them out. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like PT exercises. It's manual PT exercise. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. बदल लो। हेलो गाइस, आज हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लाइट वेट का वर्कआउट शूट करने वाले हैं। ज़्यादा हैवी वेट नहीं उठाएंगे, बहुत ही नॉर्मल तरीके से जो बॉडी पोस्चर होता है उसको थोड़ा ध्यान रखेंगे और ज़्यादा हैवी वेट नहीं उठाएंगे। इससे बहुत ही ध्यान से करना चाहिए और मैं थोड़ा कम वेट से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। इस तरीके से आप लेग को यहाँ पर फंसा सकते हैं ताकि जो आप वेट को खींचें तो ये आपको ज़्यादा मतलब हिलना नहीं पड़े और पूरा फोल्ड करा सकें आप। ठीक है, इसको हमें थोड़ा सा टिल्ट होना पड़ता है इस तरीके से ताकि इसका जो वेट जो आए हम उसको चेस्ट पर ले सकें सीधे। और ये इस तरीके से आप उसमें हमें खींच सकते हैं। जैसा कि देख रहे हैं मेरे यहाँ पे बिल्कुल पेट पे बिल्कुल वेट आ रहा है उसका, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट है। एकदम बड़ी एक्सरसाइज से ना शुरू करें, जब भी थोड़ा शुरू करें एक्सरसाइज करना बहुत ही लाइट वेट ऐसा लगेगा आपको, हल्का है ये लेकिन मतलब उस पर प्रेशर तो आता ही है थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा। और उसको हमेशा गिनती में मारें। मैंने यहाँ पे इसको 25 बार किया है। 25 के मैं इसको सेट बनाऊंगा यहाँ पे, उसके बाद थोड़ा वेट भी बढ़ाऊंगा और थोड़ा रॉड्स भी चेंज करूंगा। जैसे कि आपने देखा ये चेस्ट के लिए था, ऐसे ही बैक के लिए जो होता है वो एक बार आती है, लंबी बार, स्ट्रेट बार। इसको पकड़ के आपने बैक को मारेंगे और ये हमने इसको यहाँ पर लगा दिया है, अच्छे से लग गया है। बैक के लिए टर्न होना पड़ेगा। इसको अपने आर्म्स की या शोल्डर की चौड़ाई के हिसाब से सेट किया जाता है। आर्म्स पकड़ने के लिए जहाँ पे भी आप आ रहे हो अपनी बॉडी से शेप के हिसाब से इसको यहाँ पकड़ेंगे और बिल्कुल स्लोली स्ट्रेट, एकदम ज़्यादा जोर से नहीं, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे। बहुत हल्का है, इसको हम थोड़ा बढ़ा सकते हैं। आप अपने स्टैंड के हिसाब से इसको कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं। 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40। थोड़ा देर मतलब उसको रिलैक्स देना है। मतलब उसको रिलैक्स देने के लिए आप थोड़ा आर्म्स को हिला सकते हैं इस तरीके से, मतलब नॉर्मली अप डाउन हाथों को घुमा सकते हैं। जिससे क्या है ताकि आपका ब्लड फ्लो हाथों में अच्छी तरीके से हो जाए और मतलब उसको रीगेन करने का थोड़ा टाइम ले। और साथ ही हमें थोड़ा वेट बढ़ाएंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा वेट बढ़ाएंगे ताकि एक्सरसाइज हो। यहाँ पर बड़ी डिस्क लगा रहा हूँ पहले, बाद में हम छोटी डिस्क को साथ में लगाएंगे। अभी इससे क्या है थोड़ा बॉडी में आएगा नहीं। अब हम बैक के लिए करेंगे दोबारा से। 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25 पर साइड जाने लगे। जबकि मैं इसको वापस करता हूँ तो थोड़ा तेज कर देता हूँ समटाइम, बट तेज नहीं करना है, थोड़ा स्लो करना है ताकि मतलब उसको रिलीव करने का थोड़ा टाइम मिले। और सीट को अपने हिसाब से एडजस्ट करते हुए अभी ऐसे सेट करना है। जैसा आप चाहें वैसा एड कर सकते हैं, जितना चाहें उतना वेट लगा सकते हैं। हम थोड़े कम वेट से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, शुरुआत है, ज़्यादा वेट से नहीं करना चाहिए, मतलब उसको ज़्यादा वेट होगा। आप अपना धीरे धीरे टाइम लेके अपना प्रॉपर टाइम लेके करें। इंक्लाइन ये थोड़ा चेस्ट पे देने के लिए यहाँ पे आपकी चेस्ट पे जो आएगा तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32
ऐसे रेस्ट नहीं लेगा
33 34 35। वेट को एकदम नहीं छोड़ना है, धीरे धीरे छोड़ना है, आराम से। ये आपने देखा चेस्ट के लिए, आर्म्स के लिए और बैक के लिए प्रॉपर बहुत ही इजी सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है, घर पे भी कर सकते हैं। मैंने अपने घर पे ही सेटअप बनाया हुआ है छोटा सा। कोविड चल रहा है इसलिए बाहर जाना थोड़ा रिस्क रहता है, घर से एक्सरसाइज करते हैं।
यार ही हुई इंग्लिश में बना ले हैं।